Welcome, Shopify store owners. In this tutorial, we'll be walking you through the basics of adding custom fields to your product pages using the ACF app. With custom fields, you can add important details and specifications about your products, which can help customers make informed purchasing decisions. In this step-by-step guide, we'll take you through creating native and legacy custom fields and show you how to easily add them to your products using the ACF app's intuitive interface. By the end of this tutorial, you'll better understand how to use ACF to enhance your store's product pages and provide your customers with the information they need. First, open the Advanced Custom Fields app on your Shopify dashboard. If you haven't installed the app yet, search for it in the Shopify App Store and follow the installation instructions. Once in the app, click on the Custom Fields tab at the top of the page. Choose the object you would like to add a custom field. For example, if you want to add a custom field to your product pages, select Products from the object list on the dashboard. Choose whether to create a native or a legacy custom field. Native custom fields are created through the app and use Shopify's metafields API, while legacy custom fields are created through code injection and are used for older themes. Let's create two text fields, one for each type. To do this, first, select the appropriate custom type from the list on the right-hand side of the screen and drag it over to the left-hand side. Now it's time to configure the details of your custom field. You'll need to enter a unique namespace and key to identify your custom field. The namespace is a unique identifier that groups related custom fields together, while the key is a specific identifier for your custom field. Next, enter the field label, which will show the label on the custom field form when you enter data on the ACF app. This label will be displayed on your Shopify store for this custom field. Enter the instruction, which is the text that will appear as a prompt or hint for customers when they're entering data into the custom field. Finally, click Save to add your new custom field to the app. Now we move on step. Enter data to your custom fields. First, navigate to the object where you added your custom fields. For example, if you added a custom field to your product pages, go to the Custom Field tab, then Products section. Next, open up the individual item that you want to add data to. In this case, it would be the specific product to which you want to add custom field data to. Then, scroll down to the Custom Fields section and locate the custom field to which you want to add data. Enter the desired data into the input field for that custom field. Once you've entered your data, save the changes to the product or object. Your custom field data should now be saved and displayed on your storefront using one of the methods we discussed earlier. Now that you've created your custom field using ACF and added content, next we should show the data on your storefront. We'll start with the dynamic source method. Note that the dynamic source method only works for native custom field types. First, go to Online Store from your Shopify admin and select Themes. Find the theme that you want to edit and click Customize. Next, select the template containing the section you want to edit. Then, click on an existing section to load the content into the preview window and access the options available, or click the plus Add section to create a new one. Click Add block and then connect a dynamic source. If the Connect Dynamic Source icon is displayed, then click it to select a single meta field. If the Connect Dynamic Source icon displays a plus, then click it to select up to 20 items by adding them one at a time. Finally, click Save and you're done. Your custom field data should now be displayed on your storefront. We move to the second way. Use the Liquid section and block to show metafields data on your Shopify store. Back to ACF Admin Dashboard, go to Configuration, then Product. Find custom field you would like to show data on storefront. Click on Code button next to this custom field, then click Copy. Back to the Theme Editor. First, we add a new custom Liquid section. Then go to this section setting. Now you can paste the copy code into the custom Liquid field. We can also add custom Liquid block and do same way to add multiple custom field. Finally, click Save and you're done. Your custom field data should now be displayed on your storefront. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial on creating custom fields using the ACF app for Shopify. We hope you found this helpful in creating unique fields for your store. Remember, there are multiple ways to display custom field data on your storefront, including using dynamic sources and the built-in Liquid sections and blocks or manual Liquid. And for even more control over your metafields, consider using a metafields tab on the app. Happy customizing!